What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right now I'm going to do an update on the Neiko set or socket set, and somebody left a comment down saying, is there any updates? So I can let you know a couple of things. One, I do love this set. All right, this is not a glossy feel for the set. This is a regular, it's more of a rough coating. I use the 19 millimeter the most because that's what I use to take off my lug nuts. So here you can see the scratches on it. Like the 17 mil is starting to fade away. So it's engraved as well as coated on. So this fades, just to let y'all know. Other than that, it hooks up very nicely. I did a couple of videos where I took my lug nuts off with them. And if you need to see me do anything else with them, I'll take a bolt off of the deck or something like that. I'll do it as a short. But other than that, you have the extension. Everything goes on very well. The ball clicks right on in and it comes out easy. It's not like a struggle to come out once you got it on. All right. So this is if you have a 3/8 socket you can use for a reducer. All right. You have your 5" extension, and then you have your 3" extension, tongue twisted. So once again, you got the ball here. You got the slot here. No turning, no nothing, and it comes out easy. Okay, so that's pretty much the update. That's the best update I can do unless I actually use it for y'all and show y'all this in use. But once again, I am mainly taking my lug nuts off. That's the only real pressure that I'm really using with this. If I'm using it handheld, it's not really doing no pressure. Also, I use it to take off my my gas tank. I drop my gas tank and I use this set as far as getting the bolts off. And it grips the bolt very nicely. But other than that, this was a very good set that I bought. It was worth the price. And it had some bad reviews and it has some good reviews. So I just decided to bite the bullet. These are not clip on. These are just, you sit them down and it wobbles. So if you have your set, you walking them around on your job site and you turn it this way, you're in trouble. Now you got to turn it up where you see the words, the brand, and then flip up, and then all your sockets will stay in place. Trust me, I did this before. You will be upset if you open this the wrong way, or if you open it like this. If you open it up like this, and then you open that, and then you spread it out, you're done. Everything's falling. So that is one of the big things. I wish it had it to where you can stick it in and then it stays in place. That would have been awesome, but hey, you know, you got to take one for the other, right? Okay,